I welcome you for this React Prerequisites for Beginners Part 1 training course. Installation of Visual Studio Code Editor. What is the purpose of Visual Studio Code Editor? Visual Studio Code Editor is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating systems. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js, and it has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages and runtimes such as C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP, Go, .NET Framework. You can download Visual Studio Code Editor using the URL as shown on the screen. Once you type the URL on the browser, you are able to see the screen as shown here. It allows you to download Visual Studio Code Editor for various operating systems like Windows, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE and Mac OS. You can download Visual Studio Code Editor based on the operating system which you have on your system. After you download and install Visual Studio Code Editor, you are able to see the home page of Visual Studio Code Editor as shown here. Creating a new React project. If you are learning a React, it is recommended to use Create React App. It is the most popular way to try out React and build a new single-page client-side application. It is made for React but is not opinionated about routing and data fetching. Open your terminal, create a new project workspace folder and run the command below to create a new React project or application. The command here is npx followed by create-react-app followed by the React project name or application name. I have given the new React project or application name as React-training-project. You can give any name which you want based upon your project requirements. You can see here the execution of the command is giving the output as shown on the screen. To check the React project or application folder which it has created, type dir. It will show you the new React project or application name which it has created. To view the skeleton of the React project or application folder, go to the new React training project folder and type dir. It will show you the skeleton of your React project or application folder. It has the folders node_modules, public folder, src folder. The files are .gitignore, package-lock.json, package.json, readme.md file. The next agenda is installation requirements for React session 3. I thank you for participating in this lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture.